Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 20 Congruency of Triangles Exercise 20A question number 1A part, right? So first of all, before solving the question, we must know what is this congruency of triangles. So come aside here, right? Suppose I give you two triangles, fine. I give you two totally different triangles, which I will tell you something in that as well. See, this is one triangle and this is the other triangle that I have, right? So I'll just extend it a bit so that it's a bit clearly visible, right? Now over here, if I show you, right, I'll extend it a little more, fine. So now you see that these two are my triangles. Now I have to prove that are these triangles congruent or not. Congruent means what? See, if two triangles are exactly same, see, if they are what? They are exactly same. Now exactly same means everything in them is the same, right? The angle, the sides, the vertex, everything. Okay, so suppose you see that this is my triangle ABC, fine, and this is PQR, let's say, fine. Now if we have to prove that are these triangles congruent or not, we must know a few things. Now there are many ways in which we can prove the congruency of a triangle, right? I'll tell you, if all the three sides of the triangle, this, all this, right, all the three sides are equal, fine. Okay, suppose you see here that AB, this one, AB is equal to PQ, alright, and then BC, this one, is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. So what I am basically trying to tell you is that all the three sides here are what? Equal, or you can say what? The corresponding sides are equal, and in such cases our triangles are basically congruent. I'll explain you a bit more detailed, right? So over here, what do you see? See, I told you that the triangles have to be exactly same so that they can be congruent. And you look here that again, see, first what happens is, now see my cursor, see, first this one, right, AB, this side, it is what? It is equal to what? This XY here, this triangle. Okay, so this side is equal. You see this this mark that I have made on the sides. So this is telling that both the sides are equal. Same goes for AC and XZ, and then BC and YZ as well. Now you see here that when all the three sides of the triangle are equal with each other, then they are said to be congruent. There are many other ways. We can prove it with the help of the angles of a triangle as well. See, this angle B is equal to angle Y. You see the red pointer here. See, this angle B is equal to this angle Y, alright, this angle Y, and then this angle A is equal to this angle X, right, and then this angle C is equal to this one Z. So basically in a triangle all the sides have to be equal, or all the angles have to be equal for a triangle to be congruent, but not always, because there are many ways in which we can prove the congruency. Suppose we can prove it by knowing two sides and one angle, or we can prove it by knowing all the three sides only and no need of the angles, or simply what we can prove it is by knowing two angles and just one side. So there are many ways in which we can prove the congruency of a triangle. I will come to those rules later, but first we'll quickly progress with the chapter, and before that I'll tell you a few things. First of all, we need to know the symbol for congruency of triangles, which is this, fine. You can see this symbol that I have made, right, with my cursor, the arrow where it is pointing. This is the symbol for congruency, right? So suppose you write A equals to 7, B equals to 15. Same way we put this congruency sign instead of the equal sign, and on both of this side we write the names of our triangles. I'll tell you how. See, first of all we have this triangle A, B and C. So what we'll do is that we will write down the points of this triangle. First of all, the symbol for triangle, remember this is the symbol for triangle, and then A, B and C. Fine, is congruent to triangle, then X, Y, Z, right? Remember, a proper order is very important when we are proving the congruency of the triangles. Why so? Because see, first we have AB here and this is AB, right? Now you cannot take any other side of the other angle. Suppose this was my AB, fine, this AB is here, and if I compare this AB with this XZ, let's say, so there are chances that this side might not be equal. But what should happen is that the AB should be equal to the first two letters of the other triangle, that is XY. So AB here and XY here, right? Both of these are equal, and same goes for the other sides as well. This BC and then this YZ, the other two letters of your triangle are also equal as a side, and these are what called corresponding sides of the triangle. Then lastly AC, okay, and XZ, right? So take the last letter, sorry, the first letter and the last letter, then again the first letter and the last letter. So this means AC is congruent to, sorry, is equal to XZ. So basically this is how we write them in a proper order. Now we'll come down here and we'll solve a first question, right? What does this say? Let's have a look. So basically it says that state whether or not the following pairs of triangles are congruent, write the result in symbolic form, and it says apply the SSS congruence rule, right? So what is this SSS? Triple S, basically SSS, it stands for side, side and side. So you must be getting by the name only. It means that all the sides of the triangle have to be equal in order to be congruent. So basically I'll tell you here, you see that, can you see that one side is 2.6 centimeter, right, in the first pair of triangles, that is what, that is AB. This is 2.6 centimeters. This PQ is also 2.6 centimeters. So both of these sides are what, equal, and AC is 3 centimeter, PR is also 3 centimeters. So what does this mean? That all this AC and PR both are what, equal. BC is 3.5, QR is also 3.5. So this means these two sides are equal as well. So you see all the three sides are basically equal to the other three sides of the triangle. This means what, that our triangles are congruent. And see, how do we write it in symbolic form? Triangle ABC is congruent to, don't put the equal sign but put this congruent to sign here, fine, is congruent to, and then again triangle symbol. And now this triangle, again you should take care of the sides. See, first what have we done is we have taken this AB, right, with the black, you can see this AB we have taken, which is 2.6 centimeter. And then again if we come here, the first side that we will take, that will be PQ, that will also be 2.6 centimeters only. It cannot be PR, that is 3, remember. So again PQR, simple, fine. So you can see AB 2.6, PQ 2.6, BC 3.5, QR 3.5, AC is also 3 centimeters, and PR is also 3 centimeters, fine. Now we will solve the second part of this thing as well, fine. So basically this is what it is. Now we move on to the next one, and what does it say here? Let's see. So it's the second part, and it has, again see here that the sides are not the same. You see LM, right, this one LM is equal to PQ, right, because both of these are 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters. So it is equal, but the rest two sides, ln is 4.2 whereas PR is 5, so again unequal, or even QR if you compare it with, that is also 3.5, so again it is what, unequal. Fine. Now what does this mean? Now MN also you see 4 centimeters, so and QR also 3.5. So except one pair of sides that is of 3 centimeter, the other two sides are not equal with the other two sides of the other triangle. Now this means what? That these triangles are not congruent. Fine. These are not congruent triangles because all the sides in this are not equal. Remember, we are doing by the SSS method, and that says that all the sides must be equal. Fine. Now we come down to the third part, and here also we can pretty clearly see that are all the sides equal? Can you find all the sides that are equal here? No. Again, see this very carefully. Fine. Again, we have 3 centimeter as DF, but we do not have any 3 centimeter in the other triangle GHK. Again, 3.4 DE is 3.4 centimeter, but no other side is 3.4 centimeter in the other triangle. EF is 6.2 centimeter, but no other side is 6.2 centimeter in the other triangle. So basically we are not able to find pair of equal, or you can say corresponding sides in these triangles. So instead what we do is we simply write that these are not congruent because all the three sides are not equal, and it is necessary that all the three sides must be equal. It cannot be possible with just one or two sides being equal. Fine. And then same goes here as well. See, this BO is common, right, and this is point A. Alright, I forgot to mention it. Right, now you see that basically this C here and this BO is 3 centimeter and CO is also 3 centimeter. Again it is equal. AB is 5 centimeter and AC is also 5 centimeter. Again it is equal. And this AO you see is common in both the triangles. This means what? That again all the sides are equal, or you can say corresponding to each other, and also they are basically one side is common. What is the common side? That is AO is common. If you want to, you can mention it here as well. And rest BO and CO are equal. AB is equal, AC is equal. So we can prove it this way, that ABO is congruent to what? ACO. Fine. Now there is a way you can check this also. AB is 5. AC is also 5. So this is correct. BO is 3. And CO is also 3, so it is correct. And AO are common in both, so of course it will be correct, right? And this is how basically you can check your answer if you want to. Fine. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.